Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how to change name on Duolingo. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel. Let's get started. First, open Duolingo app on your device. Here, you can see guard icon bottom center. Tap on. Now, tap on settings. Under settings, tap on profile. Here, you can see your old name here, first name and last name. Now type your new name here. I just edit and tap on tick icon here, tap on arrow icon. Now tap on done. That's it. Successfully change your Duolingo name. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.